50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 1 minute. 50%. 8, 7, 6, 5, 0, 20, 0, 4, 0. Power systems activated. 0. Gear up.
For the table. Yeah.
0. 25 for 50%. 50%. 0. 25, 50%. Time remaining 1 minute. 50%.
See, I got that one. I was waiting on you.
25%. 50%.
Leave the damn car
25%.
Tell them that they can worry about it now.
0.
Well.
Percent.
Look at that wind.
I try to get some pictures of you doing that. I don't know if they come out. I hope so.
I know that. I just don't know who or what the situation was. But
Time remaining 3 minutes.
he's like, quit all of it.
That little adjustment made that big of a difference.
I wonder if he'll be here
Ain't no way. Can't catch
How
them.
long has it been on? About 3 months?
Right.
25%. 50%. 1 minute.
Well, it wasn't that big.
50%.
It was about the size of Mark's F-15, that scale.
50%.
Well, it's probably that. That was huge. You know, that first time.
A little bit, yeah.
Gear up. 50%. 52 minutes. 50%.
Look at that, JD.
Look at that.
Keep flapping. Yeah.
Yeah, just
25, 50%.
I get some of that gorilla.
Well, no, I got him down to 2 now.
Oh, are you really?
25%.
Yeah.
50%. 50%.
Yeah, there's somebody over there. I think those stringy gears.
Gear up. 3 minutes.
My wheels got stuck on one of those things. Yeah.
Why is your battery screaming, dude?
I feel like that XS sound. not as bad as that. Seems like yesterday. You come in and you're out towards the trees and above the trees.
25%,
It disappears from
50%.
me. I have a hard time seeing it.
Yeah. Does great axials.
It does. Like it's on a string.
Boy, that wind blew me straight up.
Yeah, it did me too.
2 minutes. Zero. 25%, 50%.
Nice, man. Good door, you're lucky out there, huh?
50%. 50%. 25%, 50%.
All right, landing right to left. Maybe this week, maybe.
I'm way up high.
Well, I got flaps. I was testing the flaps. Holy shit, this thing's a balloon.
25%, zero. 25%.
Damn, you could almost hover.
10, 50%.
Oh, that was a little hard.
Zero.
Ah.
Zero.
Landing right to left.
50%. Zero. 3 minutes. 50, zero.
Whoa, just about lost it right there. I think I'm putting some silver on this today.
50%. 50%. 50%. Minutes.
So that's upside down without the sticks. Without any pressure, that is.
That is?
Right here. There. No pressure.
25 for 50%. 50%.
Oh, greased it.
I've been there, done that, lost a plane or two by taking my eyes off of it.
I can't do that.
I'm not going to tell you how I lost the last one. Taking my eyes off of it. It was rather expensive.
Zero.
Maybe less than 5.
%, 50%.
Runs and flats. And I decided, well, I'll go ahead and set it up later on then. So, going or downwind and land.
25 for 50%. 5%.
To get it floating right
Okay.
50%.
Yeah.
The Daba is a pain in the ass to program, but
No, it's not.
once you learn it, it's not.
Brake reverse ball.